less 1.5 million ang annual income as freelancer. Mas maganda po ba yung 8% or yung graduated income tax? Tignan natin kung ano ba yung mas maganda or mas malaki ang tax savings using 1.5 million ang annual income pag ang ginamit natin ay 8% income tax rate or graduated income tax rate itemized deduction or yung graduated income tax rate optional standard deduction. Ang gagamitin po nating example ay isang freelancer earning 125,000 income per month or 1.5 million annual income. Start tayo 8% income tax rate option, annual income 1.5 million, less 250,000 na non-taxable income per year. Taxable income is 1,250,000 multiply by 8%, ang tax due is 100,000. Kung gusto mo pong matutunan ang complete 8% income tax computation, may ginawa po akong video kasama po dyan pati ang computation ng quarterly income tax. Paano naman po pag ang ginamit natin ay graduated income tax rate itemized deduction? Pag sinabi po nating itemized deduction, pwede po tayong magbawas ng business expenses para sa ating income tax computation. So ganito po siya, annual income 1.5 million less business expenses. Very important po yung word na business, meaning business expenses lang po ang allowed na maging tax deduction. Personal expenses, expenses na not related sa business ay hindi po natin pwedeng ibawas sa ating income for income tax computation purposes. I-total po natin yung expenses: laptop 150,000, electricity 120,000, subscriptions 84,000, internet 60,000, office supplies 36,000. Total expenses is 450,000. Annual income 1.5 million less total expenses na 450,000. Ang taxable income is 1,050,000. Ito pong graduated income tax rate table ang gagamitin natin sa pag-compute ng ating income tax. Taxable income natin is 1,050,000, so dito po tayo above 800k but not more than 2 million. Taxable income na 1,050,000 less 800,000 equals 250,000 multiply by 25% at i-add po natin yung 102,500. Total of 165,000 ang ating income tax using graduated income tax rate itemized deduction. Since graduated income tax rate po ang ginamit natin, required po tayong magbayad ng 3% percentage tax. Ganito po ang computation niya, annual income na 1.5 million multiply by 3%, ang percentage tax ay 45,000 pesos. Ang total tax po for graduated income tax rate itemized deduction, income tax na 165,000 plus percentage tax na 45,000, total tax is 210,000. I-compare na po natin using the 8% income tax rate. Income tax is 100,000, percentage tax is exempted. Yes po, exempted po tayo sa 3% percentage tax pag tayo ay naka 8% income tax rate option. So total tax is 100,000. Tax savings using 8% income tax rate is 110,000 pesos. With this information, syempre po ang gagamitin natin ay 8% income tax rate option. Paano naman pag ang ginamit natin ay graduated income tax rate 40% optional standard deduction? Nasa title na din po, 40% ng ating annual income ay allowed na ibawas natin for tax computation purposes. Ganito po siya, annual income 1.5 million multiply by 40%. Yan po ang ating standard deduction, 600,000. Annual income 1.5 million less 600,000. Taxable income is 900,000. Ito po ang gagamitin natin na graduated income tax rate table. Whether ikaw ay naka-graduated income tax rate itemized deduction or graduated income tax rate optional standard deduction, pareho lang po ang graduated income tax rate table na ginagamit. Taxable income natin 900,000, dito po tayo above 800,000 but not more than 2 million. Taxable income na 900,000 less 800,000 equals 100,000 multiply by 25%, plus 102,500, total income tax is 127,500 pesos. Since graduated income tax rate ang gamit natin, required po tayong magbayad ng 3% percentage tax return. So 3% po siya ng annual income, 1.5 million multiplied by 3%, total of 45,000 pesos. Total tax po using graduated optional standard deduction, income tax 127,500, percentage tax 45,000, total tax 172,500 pesos. I-compare po natin siya using the 8% income tax rate option. Income tax 100,000, percentage tax is exempted, total tax 100,000. Kaya meron po tayong tax savings using the 8% income tax rate option na 72,500 pesos. So ayun po, for freelancer earning 125,000 income per month or 1.5 million annual income, ang best tax option is the 8% income tax rate option. Pwede mo pong gamitin itong guide as your reference for your tax planning. Pero kami po, what we recommend is the 8% income tax rate option for freelancers. Dahil po sa nature ng freelancing, mababa ang business expenses. At pag mababa po ang ating business expenses, doon po maganda si 8% income tax rate option at simple tax compliance pa po siya. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.